In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. Having a professional email address that matches your domain can greatly enhance your brand's credibility and ensure that your communications are seamless and impressive. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu on the left side of your screen. You'll want to locate the option titled Settings. Click on this to open up a range of settings available for customization. Within this menu, look for Domains. This is where you manage your website's domain settings, and it's also the gateway to setting up your professional email. Now that you're in the Domains section, you should see a list of all domains you own through Squarespace. Click on the domain name for which you want to set up a professional email. This will bring you to a new page with various options and settings related to that specific domain. Keep an eye out for the Google Workspace option. In some cases, it might be labeled as Professional Email. Clicking this option will start guiding you through the process of setting up your professional email account. Squarespace has worked hand in hand with Google to make this process intuitive and user-friendly. Once you click through to Google Workspace, you'll be presented with a series of prompts. Here, you have the opportunity to create a new business email address, usually in the format of yourdomain.com. This part is crucial, as the email you choose will represent your professional identity, so make sure it reflects your business or role appropriately. As you continue following the on-screen instructions, you'll set up your account by providing the necessary details, such as your preferred language and time zone. This ensures your email service functions smoothly and meets your specific needs. You'll also be required to set a password, so it's important to choose something secure but memorable. Your email is a key communication tool, so safeguarding it is essential. Now, you'll reach the final steps of the account setup. Once you've entered all your information and reviewed your entries, make sure everything looks correct and matches your expectations. Then, you can go ahead and complete the setup. After this, you might need to verify your domain with Google. Squarespace usually facilitates this process by automatically adding the necessary verification records to your DNS settings, streamlining everything for you. And there you have it. You've just set up a professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. This email will help you communicate with clients, partners, and anyone else in a way that reinforces your brand's professionalism. If you have any additional questions or experience any difficulties, Squarespace's help resources are always available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new professional email.